My name is Roberto Cabrera, and I work as a Senior Information Security and Business Continuity Manager at FINCA in Finance. FINCA is committed to find financial solutions accessible to everyone at the global level. Because we are providing a lot of services, or attack surface is a little more bigger now. We are actually partnering with TrendAI to get better solutions, to get better models from their systems in order to protect better all FINCA systems. So our partnership with TrendAI has helped us to improve our protections, to improve our risk stance at the general level, and we are trying to have better protection for our customers and their services. So we were excited and thrilled to see that TrendAI is partnering with Anthropic and with NVIDIA to have better solutions to identify threats at the AI level.